My name is Royal, founder of Royal Ambition LLC and Envision Aesthetics. This is for the people who need inspiration. I came from nothing. I was a little 17-year-old kid who stumbled upon 2 books that changed my life forever. I dedicate each and every day to my success. I know there will be ups and there will be downs in business and relationships and with family. I know this. However, this is out of my control. One thing I can control is the improvement of my mind and my body. I strive every day to improve in all aspects, whether it's physically, financially, mentally, or even spiritually. Follow me as I show you the way with the right steps. Anything is possible. Let's get started.